is a video of a before and after. I'm going to install Philips LED 6500K bulbs in the shop light. And these are Sylvania, I'm reading the label, Sylvania Super Saver Cool White. Looks like 34 watt. So anyways, here's the before. And I'll install the new ones and we'll compare. Alright, be right back. Okay, back in the garage. I just got the bolts installed. Let me zoom in a little bit. Flip the switch. 1, 2, 3. And that light is so much brighter. LED instant on. No more fluorescent tubes. Very nice. Nice even light. I think I said it was daylight. 6500K is diamond white light with just a little bit of blue in it. Alright, another video.